While I'm sharing my screen, to Jay, have you talked with Blair?
Yes po.
How is it talking with Blair?
He said he would get back to me, and but he
But he
has
didn't
not.
get
I know
back
he
to you.
will po.
He didn't get back to you.
Maybe he's busy, but I know he will get back to
Oh
me.
no, Blair
Sir,
is waiting for
sir,
you.
wala po akong ano, sure
English,
na
English,
sagot.
English.
Nagtatanong din. I don't have a sure answer. Please wait. Thank you.
Ano
Okay.
daw?
Sir,
Again,
I
Blair,
don't
what
have
is it?
a
Eh,
he's
you don't-
asking about my answer on MEP and
Okay.
KPA. Sir, I
Hmm.
have a question later.
Yeah. Pwedeng later or now na?
Later na, sir.
Okay, sige. Ngayon, i-discuss ko lang itong computations. Let us discuss the computations of the diesel cycle. I do believe I already discussed to you the application principles and the working formula of the diesel cycle. Am I right?
Yes po.
Opo.
Yes po,
Oh,
sir.
goods. Oy, English yon, dire-diretso yon. Now, let's proceed for the discussions or for the computations of this problem. So let us read this problem. A diesel cycle operates with a compression ratio of 13.5 with a cutoff occurring at 6% with the stroke of the stroke. State point 1 defines that the pressure is 14 psia and it also has a temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. For the hot air standard with K is equals to 1.34 for an initial of 1 cubic feet, compute the following. You already I believe you already solved this one, but I have to also discuss what my computation is all about. So all we need to do is to determine all the pressures, temperatures, and volume, QA, QR, efficiency, mean effective pressure, and this one. So first thing that we need to do is to evaluate all the given. So our RK is equivalent to 13.1. I would like to ask, what is this cut off occurring at 6%? Ano tong ating cut off na 5%, engineers?
RC po.
Mhm. Take note that our ratios doesn't have any unit.
Yung sa displacement po.
Mhm. Anyone? This one is the clearance. Percent clearance. Am I right? Hey, guys, di ba?
Yes
Ang
po, sir.
ating
Po.
Opo.
efficiency is percentage. No, ang percent clearance natin is also called as a cut-off clearance. Cut-off. Okay? Okay tayo doon?
Yes
Engineer.
po.
Yes po.
Yes.
Opo.
Yes po.
Basta pag percent, pag sinabing cut-off, that is C. Pag ratio, wala siyang percentage. Take note of that. And then sabi dito, meron tayong P1 na 14 PSIE and then meron tayong T1 na 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So, gawin natin tong plus 460, absolute natin. What is the value of our T1?
600 po.
600 degree Fahrenheit. Yan, sisimula na naman. And also, meron tayo ditong K na 1.34 and our volume 1.34 and may binigay ditong 1 cubic feet. Meaning to say this one is the volume 1 cubic feet. Okay? Maliwanag po tayo sa given. Naiintindihan ko pa paano i-evaluate ang given, engineers?
Yes po, sir.
Yes po.
Okay. The next thing that we need to do is to determine okay, the all pressures, temperatures, and volume. So again, let us draw our PV diagram. So this one is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, this is our PV diagram. And all we need to do is to determine all the parameters of all the values of the pressure, volume and temperature, meaning to say P1, V1, T1, T2, V2, P2. Also, you have to get the value of T3, P3, V3, T4, P4, and V4. So all of these values has to be determined. And now, first, let us try to evaluate all the values of P1, V1, T1. So all these values are given, right? Di ba given to? So hindi na natin kailangan computent. Tama ba ako?
Opo.
Yes po.
Okay. Ngayon, let us focus on determining the T2, V2, and P2. So we can determine the values of P2, V2, and T2 from the process 1 to 2, which this one is a constant isentropic. This one is an constant isentropic compression. So now, we can determine the value of V2, T2, and P2. First, i-determine natin yung value ng V2. Paano natin ma-determine yung value ng V2? Engineers, how can we determine the value of V2?
Using
Dun po sa formula R.
Using the formula of RK. Tama yan. So RK, since given siya, all over V1 over V2. May given tayong V1. May given tayong RK and V2 can be determined. Sige nga, everyone, kindly determine the value of our V2. What is the value of our V2? Engineers, what is the value of your V2? Ay, sagot po tayo kasi may hinahabol tayong oras.
4074 po.
Yan. So this one is 0.074074 cubic feet, or kung gusto nyo i-fraction, this one is 2 over 27. So ito ang magiging, this one is our final answer in determining the V2. Nakuha natin yung V2? Nagkakatulad-tulad ba tayo, engineers?
Yes,
Yes
po,
po.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Ngayon, store ko to as A. I would like to store the V2 to A for future reference. Okay na tayo for determining the V2. How could we determine the T2? The simplest way, and also the safe way in order to determine the T2. Ano yung pinaka-safe at pinaka-simplest way?
Sa
Ano po,
RK
sir?
po.
Over
R.
T1 is
Yan.
equals to RK.
So T2, okay, thank you Don. So T2 over T1 is equals to RK raised to K minus 1. So dito, meron tayong value ng T1, meron tayong RK, meron tayong K. We can determine the value of T2. Sige nga, what is the value of our T2?
$1,452.
Ganito ang gawin natin, yung dulo na lang. Anong dulo natin?
31.
31. So
31 po.
153.66631, that is degree Rankine. Nako-compute natin tong T2, engineers? Nako-compute?
Yes.
Opo.
Yes po.
Okay, sige. I-store ko to as P. I would like to store my T2 as P for future reference. And the next one, the P2. How could we determine the P2? The simplest and the safe way.
Yung may RK din po. Ito over
Yung may
T1
RK.
equals to RK raised to
Over,
K.
yan, RK raised to K. So using this formula, we could determine the value of our P1. Sige nga, engineers, kindly determine the value of our P2. Dulo lang, dulo.
43 po ang dulo.
43, sir.
Ang dulo daw ay 43.
43.
Nagkakatugma ba tayo lahat?
Yes
Opo.
po.
Okay, so 457.904 8943, that is PSIA. Goods, nakakasabay pa in determining the P2, engineers?
Yes po.
Okay, ngayon, store ko to as C for my future reference. Okay na tayo. From the values of T2, we can now proceed to determine the values of the the pressure, temperature, and the volume of T3. Again, we can determine that by the process 2 to 3. Diba? Again, in our PV diagram, 2 to 3 is located at here, at a constant pressure. Ngayon, ang goal natin is to determine yung mga value na ito. First, I think, how could we determine the value of our, no. How could we determine the value of our P3 first? P3. How could we determine the value of our P3?
P2 is equal to P3 po.
Yan. Ang P2 ay equal sa P3. So, ang P3 natin is 457 also, 0.9048943. That is PSIA. Okay tayo on how to determine the P3?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Sure. Bakit equal to? Kasi
Sure na sure
constant.
po.
Sure na sure. Constant pressure tayo. So, okay na tayo in determining the P3. So, ito ay control C pa din, or alpha C pa din since P2 is equals to P3. Now, from process 2 to 3, we could determine T3 and V3 by using the formula of T3 over T2 is equals to V3 over V2. Di ba equal din to sa RC? Tama ba ako, engineers?
Yes po.
Opo.
So ngayon, let us try to evaluate the T3 and V3. Do we have RC in our given?
Wala po.
Wala po.
Wala po.
Meron ba tayong T3?
Wala din po.
Meron
Wala
ba
pa
tayong
din po.
T3?
Wala din po.
So tatlo yung unknown or dito pa lang dalawang unknown, we cannot determine the value of T3 and V3 using this formula. Tama ba ako? Am I right?
Opo.
Opo.
Yes. Pero kung titingnan natin yung ating PV diagram, I think we could determine the value of V3. So using the PV diagram of the diesel cycle, how could we determine the value of V3?
V2 po plus clearance times volume displacement.
Sige nga, paka-explain naman ako why, Gabriel. Yeah, that's correct. V2 plus the clearance volume times the volume displacement. Paka-explain naman.
Kasi po ang V2 is equal to din po clearance times volume displacement. Tapos po ang V3 minus V2 is equal to CVD din po. Tapos transpose lang po.
Yan. So, nanggaling dito yung ating formula na ang V3 minus V2 ay equal sa CVD and V2 is equal to CVD. So, by transposing, so, makocompute natin, tama ba? Wait lang. CVD. Again, Rama Santa, again.
Ay, yung CVD po, cut off po yan. Na clearance din po.
Sabi mo that V2 is equal to CVD. V3
Opo.
minus V2 is equal to CVD. Kapag ito, itinranspose
bukod pa po
ko
yun.
dito. Again.
I mean po, yung po.
Okay, gets. Tama naman.
Yung sa
So,
baba.
tama naman. Yeah. Ang V3 natin, ito kapag kinumpit natin yung distance nito from this dito, V3, ima-minus natin sa CVD, sa V2, equal din siya sa total nito, Kumbaga, clearance, volume displacement, Ang volume displacement natin is from, kumbaga, ang V3 minus V2 ay equals din sa ating clearance volume. Kaya, ang makakapag-come up tayo ng formula in order to determine the V3 as V2 plus CVD. Sa uluhin nyo na lang yan kasi automatically, ang ating formula in determining the V3 is V3 is equals to V2 plus C times the quantity of V1 minus V2. Tama ba ang ating general formula or the simplified formula in getting the V3? Engineers?
Opo, sir.
Yes
Okay.
po.
Using this formula, may V1 tayo, we do have V2. We can calculate our V3. What is the value of our V3?
$0.129.
Dulo lang, dulo.
96 po.
926, di ba? Nagkakatugma ba tayo sa dulo na 296? Goods?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes po.
So 0.1296296, that is cubic feet ang ating magiging sagot for our V3. Naintindihan kung paano kampitin ng V3, engineers?
Yes po.
Okay. So,
Yes po.
okay na tayo with V3. Let us try to solve our T3. So, using this formula, which is T3 all over T2 is equals to V3 all over V2, we can now determine the value of our T3 since we do have the value of the V3, T2, and V2. Sige nga. Oops. What is the value of, nasa na ano? What is the value of our T3? I store ko yung V3 ko in my future reference as D. I have to store this one as shift D. What is the value of my T3?
79 pang dulo.
Ang dulo is,
79 po.
nakakatugma ba tayo ng 79, engineers? Ayan.
Opo.
So, ating
Yes
T3
po.
is 2. Okay, thank you. 254. Wait lang ha. Okay. 2543.916079 degree Rankine. Tama ba ang aking T3? Same ba ng sa inyo?
Yes po.
Okay. Store ko to as E for my future reference. Since we do have T3, we do have T2, we do have V3, we do have V2, I think we can get the value of RC. Since this will be, we will need RC in order to determine our efficiency. What is the value of our RC? O V3, alpha D all over. V2 ko is alpha A. What is your answer? I do have my own
1.75 po.
1.75. Same ba kayo ng mga nakukuhang RC?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Others
Opo,
po?
sir.
2J, have you got it?
Yes, po, sir. Actually,
you-
I honestly I did not calculate it, but it's because I'm in another class, but I'm just screenshotting and then I would, what's it called? I would study it, Mamaya. I
Okay.
actually have a schedule right now.
Okay, you asked Blair if you need help from Blair or also
Yes.
Lazel.
Yes, po.
Also, Roma Santos, one of the good student here. You can actually connect with him. Okay.
Okay, po. Salamat, po.
Okay, but you still understand
Yes, po.
my
Yes, po.
discussion,
Yes,
my
po.
computations.
Yes, po.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, let's okay with RC T3's is determined. And now let us determine the P4, T4 and the V4. So we could determine those parameter in the process that is 3 to 4. Again, this one is constant isentropic. Again, here to draw again our PV diagram. Process 3 to 4 is in the curve, meaning to say this one is an isentropic expansion. Okay? In our manuals, there is a discussions all about our volume. V4 over V3, kindly replace as RE, not RK. Okay? Engineers, I'll kindly correct this one in this part. So instead of using RK, kindly replace as RE. Okay, engineers? Understood?
Yes
Yes
po.
Yes,
po.
po.
Okay, again instead of writing RK, kindly change it to RE. And now, from process 3 to 4, we could determine the values of our P3, P4, P4, and our V4. First, let us determine the value of our, oh my God, our V4. What is the value of our V4?
1 po.
B1 po.
Yeah. So our V4 is V1 since this one is a constant volume, but we are in the process of process 3 to 4. So ating V4 is 1 cubic feet. Okay? Naintindihan po kung paano compute ng V4? Engineers?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Opo.
Next
Yes
is
po.
let us try to solve P4. How could we determine the value of the P4? Using P4. How could we determine the value of our P4? Anyone?
P4 over P3 po is equal to V1 over V3.
Yan. P3 all over P4 is equals to, di ba ang V4 over V3 raised to K is, ang V4 natin is equals to V1. So meaning to say, pwede ba to? Can we use this one?
Opo.
Can we use this one in order to determine the P4?
Opo,
Engineers?
sir.
Okay. So
Opo.
nice. So using this formula,
Yes po.
kindly determine our P4. We do have our P3. We have our V4 which is equals to V1 and we have our V3. Okay? Kindly determine the P4. Dulo lang ha, dulo.
6-7 po.
Yung iba. 6-7 or 6-8, right? Tama ba ako? So, P4 natin is 29. Mag-shift store kayo para mabilis. 63, 4, 5, 9, 6, 6, 8, PSIA. Nakapit ba natin tong P4, engineers?
Yes po.
Same ba ng sa inyo? Nakakasabay pa?
Yes po.
Okay. Store ko to as my future reference as M. Okay na tayo for determining the
Yes.
P4. How could we determine the T4?
So,
Again, how could we determine the T4? In process 3 to 4.
T3 over T4 po is equal to
Yan.
P3 over
T3
T4.
over T4 is equals to, pwede ba natin itong gawin? Pwede to?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Raised to K minus 1. So using this formula, kindly determine the value of our T4.
opo. K raise K minus
43 po.
43. So, tama naman. So, 1270.054 143. That is the degree runtime. Same ba tayo ng mga nakukuha, engineers, in terms of our T4?
Yes po.
Nakakasabay pa?
Yes po, sir.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Store ko to as my future reference as F. Now, we do have our V1, we do have our V3. I think we can determine the RE. Halimbawa lang, pinapahanap. What is the value of our RE? So, example, that is V1. 1 over V3 ko is alpha D. What is the value of our RE? 7 point?
714 po.
Tama ba tayo? Magkakatulad ba tayo ng RE?
Yes po.
Others po.
Opo, sir.
Yes po, sir.
Also, you can use this formula, RK is equals to RCRE in order to determine the RE. So, same lang din yan ng inyong makukuha in terms of your RE. Kindly check na lang. Okay na tayo with our T4, P4, and B4. All this one is being determined. And now, let us try to solve our QA. Again, from our PV diagram, how can we determine the QA? At what process or at point what? Point
2 to 3 po.
2 2 to 3. So QA natin is here. Since this one is a constant pressure, our QA is equivalent to MCP, that is T3 minus T2. Tama ba ang working formula natin in terms of QA?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes po.
Di ba may na-compute tayong T3? May na-compute tayong T2. Meron ba tayong mass? Do we have mass?
Wala pa po.
Wala pa po.
Wala
Do we
po.
have CP?
Wala pa rin po.
Constant bang gagamitin natin sa CP?
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Hindi. Kasi iba yung value ng standard ng ating K. So first, i-determine natin yung mass. How could we determine the mass?
PVMRT.
Yan. So we could determine the mass as PV is equals to MRT. Example, let us try to P1V1 is equals to MRT1. Pwede namang P2V2 is equals to MRT2. Pwede rin P3V3 is equals to ME4. Pwede rin P4V4 is equals to MRP4. Let us try to focus on state point 1. So mass is equivalent to P1V1 all over RT1. Naintindihan ko bakit nagkaganito?
Yes po.
Yes po,
Yes po.
Substituting the values in our formula. So, let's have the unit analysis. 14 pound force all over inch squared, which is PSIA. Volume natin is 1 cubic feet. Now, since our denominator for R would be 53.34 pound feet, so our main goal is to change or convert the inch into feet. Tama ba ako?
Yes po.
Okay. So, so we need to convert inch to feet. So, our 1 feet is equivalent to 12 inches. So, here, 12 inches, this one would be cancel. Feet squared, feet, and matitira na lang is isang feet. Am I right?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. So, from the numerator is pound force feet. Okay. Proceed with our denominator. That this one is 53.34. That is pound feet all over pound mass runtime. Okay. And now, our T is 600 degree runtime. So, cancel the runtime, cancel the pound feet, cancel the feet. Ano ang matitira na lang?
Pound.
Pound mass po.
Pound mass. So, let us determine the value of our mass. Dulo lang. What is
98
the ending? Again?
9.8 po.
98. So, mass natin is 0.06299212598 pound mass. Same ba tayo ng mga nakukuhang sagot?
Yes po.
Opo, sir.
Yes po.
So, this one, ay, bakit ko bibiliwan? This is our mass. We do have our mass now, our CP. How could we determine the CP? Again, kapag may CP ka, you are RK or rich kid raised to K minus 1. All we need to do, our CP is in BTU, pound mass runtime, since we are determining the BTU. CP, 53.34, that is pound force feet. All over pound mass runtime times 1.34 all over 1.34 minus 1. So what is the value of CP here?
99 po.
Mhm. Dulo, sorry. Again, what is the value of CP?
99 po.
So 210, that is 2223529. What is the pound force feet. Wait. Pound force feet all over pound mass then Rankine. Now, our main goal is in terms of BTU, pound mass Rankine. So, how could we cancel this one? We could use 1 BTU. How many? Pound force feet.
778.
778. That is pound force feet. Cancel this one, cancel this one. BTU over pound mass Rankine would be determined. What is the value of our CP?
99 po.
Okay. Si 99 yung dulo, 0.2702086799. That is BTU, pound mass Rankine. Same ba tayo ng mga nako-compute na sagot?
Yes po.
Yes
po.
Yes
Okay.
po.
Shift star ko to. Example lang ang akin is X. Now we have our CP. We have our M. We could determine our QA. QA is equals to MCP. That is T3 minus T2. O, pakibiuna lang ako. Ang mass natin is 0.062. That is pound mass. Ang CP ko, 0.27. Pabuwa ko ha, 0.2 pound. Ano to? BTU per pound mass. This one is BTU over pound mass Rankine. And T3 natin, ang T3 ko is alpha E. T3 is 2543.9 minus ang T2 ko is alpha B. B ko is 1453.6 Rankine. Okay. Cancel yung Rankine, cancel yung Rankine, cancel yung pound mass, cancel yung pound man. Matitira is the BTU. What is the value of our QA? Alpha Y times alpha X times T3 ko is alpha E minus ang T2 ko is alpha B. What is the value? Dulo?
92 po.
Other answer.
19 po.
19. So, ang ating QA is 18.5571619. That is BTU. Na-compute yung QA, okay lang magkaroon ng konting discrepancy sa padulo. Basta dito, medyo tayo ay magkakatulad. Nakuha ang QA, engineers?
Opo.
Yes.
Okay. Now, proceed tayo with our QR, which is MCV. That is T4 minus T1. We do have our T4, T1, M, and CB can be determined. CB is equal to R all over K minus 1. So, substituting this one, 53.34, that is pound force feet all over pound mass Rankine divided by 1.34 minus 1. And then, let us divide into 778 pound force feet over 1 BTU. Cancel this one, cancel this one. BTU, pound mass Rankine, would be determined. What is the value of our CB?
86 po.
Again.
86 po.
Ang dulo is 86. So, 0.2016. Nako, hindi ko na-save ang aking 4.82686. Example, store ko to as value ulit ng X. Now, we could determine the value of QR using, again, lagay ko dito, MCV T4 minus T1. So, what is the value of our QR? Our mass.
44 po ang dulo.
Wait lang. Y times X times T4 alpha F minus T1. Anong dulo natin? 44. So, sabi dito is 8.5119734. That is BTU. Same ba tayo ng mga nakukuhang sagot? Engineers?
sir.
Others po. Wait lang.
Same po, sir.
Okay, same na same. So now, let us determine the efficiency as QA minus QR all over QA. I-times natin sa 100%. O using this formula, kindly determine the value of the efficiency. Anong dulo?
09.
O, kindly determine kapag same tayo. Same ba tayo ng ating efficiency?
Yes po.
Yes po,
Okay.
sir.
Sure. Okay. Ngayon,
Sure.
i-try natin yung ating simplified as E is equals to 1 minus 1 all over RK raised to K minus 1 times the quantity of RCK minus 1 all over K RC minus 1. So using this formula, kindly determine our efficiency. So this one muna, the product of this one, 1 minus the product of this one. We do have our RC, which is 1.75. We do have our RK, which is 13.5. What is the answer?
Same lang din po.
Same as 54.13524.229%. Nakuha niyo to? Engineers?
Yes po, sir.
Others po?
Yes po.
Wait lang ha. Okay. So, check natin. Same na same naman. So, I think yun lang muna. So, itong mean effective pressure is your assignment and this one. But no need to write on your bond paper. Just your practice problem to solve the mean effective pressure in terms of KPA and this one. Okay? Do you have questions, clarifications, or concern regarding this problem? May concern ba?
None po, sir.
Wala po.
Naiintindihan?
Opo, sir.
Yes
Wait lang
po.
ha. Do you have questions? Sure na kayo? Sige, kung wala na kayong questions, I think that would be all for today. Thank you so much sa time ninyo and ingat